there is a rise in active cases. The active cases had declined as low as 1,35,000 that we are showing the trough in the graph. This happened on 12th of February. So they had come down to 1,35,000 odd cases, and today they are 1,89,000. However, what this graph does not tell you is that on 18th of September 2020, the country had more than 10 lakh active cases. So from 10 lakh, we came down to 2,54,000, 1st of January. Then we further came down to 1,35,000. And now there is this increase which has taken the active cases to 1,89,000. This is a comparison between 11th of February and 11th of March. In Kerala, the number of active cases on 11th of February was 64,000. Today, they have declined to 35,000. We need to appreciate the fact that in a month, from a high of 64,000 plus active cases on 11th of February, Kerala has come down to 35,700,000 odd cases on 11th of March. Maharashtra, on 11th of February, Maharashtra had 36,917 cases. Today, they are more than a lakh active cases. Punjab had 2,100. Today, Punjab is touching 9,400. And similarly, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Haryana are the states which we think are at a tipping point. 2,56 lakh doses have been administered across the country, and we have given you the disaggregated data of how many 60 years and plus, how many healthcare workers first dose, how many healthcare workers second dose, how many frontline workers first and second dose. Now this is a comparison which is quite interesting. Till yesterday, we had completed 53 days of vaccine administration in India. So we are giving you figures from our World in Data, not our website, international website, of the first 53 days performance of all countries. So US in the first 53 days, and please remember, which is not shown here in the slide, that United States of America started their vaccination on 14th of December, more than a month prior to our start, which was on 16th of January. So US has had administered 3,68 lakh vaccine doses in the first 53 days. What is their number today? We will show you in course of this presentation. India in the first 53 days, 2,56 lakh. Brazil, 1,13 lakh. Brazil is important because they started a day after we did. We started our vaccination on 16th of January. Brazil started it on 17th of January. Turkey has done 1 crore. UK, they started their vaccination on 8th of December. Even before USA started the COVID-19 vaccination, UK had started. And their figure in first 53 days was 94 lakhs. When we talk to you today, United States of America has done 9,36 lakh vaccinations. India has done 2,43 lakh vaccinations. This number has obviously increased. United Kingdom has done 2,37 lakh vaccinations. Brazil has done 1 crore, and so on and so forth. From 4th of March, when we did 10 lakh vaccinations in 24 hours, on 8th of March, in 4 days, we achieved 20 lakh vaccinations in 24 hours. So if that is not acceleration, then what is? This is very important. Acceleration has been achieved with active collaboration of private sector facilities. So if we look at this 2.5 crore doses which have been administered in our country till date, you will find that 71% of these doses have been administered in public health facilities. These are government hospitals. They could be PHCs, They could be health sub-centers, CHCs, subdivisional hospitals, district hospitals, medical college hospitals, so on and so forth. And 28.77, almost 29%, has been contributed by private facility. So today there are 13 states and UTs which have given second dose to more than 80% of all eligible healthcare workers. There are 2, Daman and Diu and Nagaland, which have achieved 100% coverage. There are 8 states and UTs which have administered second dose to more than 60% of the eligible frontline workers. Here also, Puducherry has done 100, and there are others who are between 60 and 100.